Hey Diane, looks like the video got cut off, but anyways, so basically as you can see, it's here now, and the file that originally started as just simply my blog post, which I simply made a recording on YouTube of me talking about the blog post and stuff. I converted it to the sound file that was uploaded to SoundCloud, and now that one piece of content is both audio and video, of course. And then if I choose to, I can take the same sound file and re-edit it with the different kind of music, whatever stuff like that, and it now can become something either podcast or a audiobook or any number of things and stuff. So right there, just Audacity is simply awesome. I mean, that's really it. So, anyways, if you have any questions, feel free to buzz me. But that's really Audacity in a nutshell.